All right, guys. So when I look at these two graphs, here's a function, guys. F of x equals 3x plus 2. G of x is 3x minus 6. What's different between them? What changed?
The B.
The b's. So since, or because, b changed, we're talking about a translation. How much of a translation do we have? How much of a change is involved? Not 4. 8. Yeah, down 8 units. I went from -2 to +2 to -6. That's down 8 units.
Wait, so we just have to take out the part and it's like a graph.
Well, right now it's just what we're aiming for here is just a matter of looking at the two equations.
That BC?
Yeah, b/c because. We're just looking at the two parts of the equation to pull out what changed. So because that's what changed, I can conclude there is a translation of down 8 units, because from +2 to -6 is a change of 8 down. Or I can also say it's a change of -8 units. Second example. H of x equals, let's say, half x minus 2. J of x equals, let's say, half x plus 4.
Wait, we're allowed to use like any letter?
Well, yeah, any letter can be used for functions. I just want to make sure all 4 of these are different. Hey, Robert, what you got for us?
It's the same thing as last time.
It's a translation. How much of a translation?
Why did J
By
name?
6.
How much?
6 up or 6 down?
6.
Okay. It's a translation because the only change is in the b. You got that right? So we're talking a translation vertically because it's the b that changed. So it's always a vertical, shift it up, shift it down. And 4 minus -2 gives me 6 units. So since it's a positive, that's an up. Now it does sometimes help to graph it because you can see that in the graph. If I graph this first one, the intercept is at -2. You have to be able to graph lines. Slope is 1 over 2, so I go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. There's that line. That's h of x. And then if I look at j of x, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, there's j of x. And I can see the two lines run parallel. The blue line is just shifted up 6 units to get to the purple line.
Rotation.
That's a translation.
Wait, what can you?
Because I didn't,
I'm right, it's not secret.
right, I didn't twist it. I just shifted the line vertically. What's up?
How do you know when to shift it horizontally?
Any horizontal shifts would A, be later in the textbook, so don't think about them right now. B, will be buried in the x term. So if you want to think ahead, and you don't need to write this down, if I were to talk about k of x being 1/2 x minus 3 minus 2, that's a horizontal shift. The good news is we're not there yet. We're only worried about vertical shifts, rotations, and reflections over the y-axis. We're kind of taking it a little bit at a time. We'll come back to it later. Don't worry. We'll do them all when we do quadratics. Sid, what's up?
Are you just finding out how much the least change?
Mhm.
That's it?
Yeah, all we're doing with this is saying how much does this graph change as between the two of them. Because I changed the numbers up, what's the consequence? Okay.